Alright, this is Liberty stock number 51162. It's a Chiron model FZ08KS Magnum high speed 7-axis, serial number 225-36, equipped with the Fanuc Series 18i MB5 controller, chiller, height and hind linear measuring system, Renshaw probe, and on and on.
I don't know.
On and on.
Well, you're looking at the front of it, straight up. We'll work our way around a little bit.
Okay.
On the back end, back here on the floor, behind the machine. Loop system up high. As you go down, some tooling in there. Various tooling, pallets, holders.
Okay.
Books, manuals. Next, right here. Forget what else is all in here, but
there's tooling down the bottom.
Yeah, there's tooling below that too. Right, I forgot we've got some tool holders and power cabinet here. Coming around up by the tool change area here. This one's kind of open. Just take a quick look in there. It's in pretty nice shape. See a little bit inside, not too much. Tools would be right down through there. You can't see them, but that's the magazine. I think we can try doing a tool change.
Yeah.
Chiller's right here, running all the time. It's happy, no alarms. That book, it's all clean, it's in good shape. That's that. That's it. Yeah, we'll do a little bit of manual. And there's a Chiron program in here, kind of a warm-up program. We can let it run, but for right now, I'm in jog, and we can move the 7 axes around quite easily here. If I can remember them all, I need a cheat sheet for this one.
I'm going to get on your left side.
Go ahead. Where do you want to go? Yeah.
Yep.
Here's X jog. Let me make sure it's all happy here. Yeah, that's all good. Position, jog, X minus, there we go. At 100%, yeah, I'm still at 100, we'll do that 100 there. Just to show them all. Y, same thing. Plus minus, there's Z coming down a little bit. Go back up. B. Go that, back up there. And down low, we've got A. Which I think I want to go plus on this one. That's the rotary right there. There we go. Or minus. There. I don't want to over travel that because it's already been home. And C. C is this guy over here, right there. And lastly is B. Number 7 is B, which is the whole kit and caboodle here. It's everything.
Excellent. Okay.
Yeah. That said, I can fire up the spindle right where it's at, an MDI. I've got the edit key on. We'll go into program. That's the program that's on there, that 0001. We'll leave that. But for right now, I'm just going to jump into MDI and give it like a 3,000 spindle speed just to show how it all goes. This should work in 06. Nah, I screwed that up big time. Hang on a sec. Hang on. I'm terrible. Yeah. I'm thinking of a tool change. Hey, speed, I don't know, 4,000. Insert that. That looks good. I'm going to hit cycles. Yeah, you got to really kind of stare at that. Let me see if it'll come up for us. There it is. Humming along. And that's that. I'm just going to reset, let it stop. If you're still on it, I don't know. You can kind of watch it. Boom. Just stops dead. A tool change? Yeah, we're on tool 1. We'll just go to tool 4. Let's see how that all works. I'm still in MDI. 6, T, T, 1. You want into, let's see if that works. Cycle start. Watch down here by the index, by the tool. Yeah. See if that works. And swivel head's not in position, so I have to bring B back up. Oh well. It's going to be a second. Hang on. Go back into jog. We want B's off. B is -1. Let's see if we can move that back into position a little bit. We want B. There we go. By too far? Let me slow that down. 2, 1. Getting close. right about, let me see, a little bit slower. Too much. I don't know how close you got to be with this thing to do. Let's try this one more time. And come back into MDI and program. Let's try it again. One, insert. All right, let me hit cycle start. Let's see if it goes. There we go. Still not happy. You guys run the program. Oh, I got the edit key off. Okay, we gotta shut that off. And I'm getting there. MDI program. Oh, you gotta have that. You gotta have that on. Yeah, hang on. You gotta have that on. That key has to be on. Program. Okay. Now it's changing. Let's try one more time. T1. I don't know if it'll work. The edit key has to be on as far as I'm concerned, but. No, don't have it.
Let's start a program. Because there's a tool change in there, right?
Yeah, there is a tool change on it, but it's not. No, it won't, because I'm in the tool that it's going to run. So I would have had to leave it on the other tool.
All right.
I did it once, so.
That's okay.
But just try and run it then? Yeah.
Yeah, just run the
if I hit
program.
auto cycle, everything should go back home to where it needs to be, and you won't get the tool change because it wants to be right there. So
Okay.
we could try jumping into auto at full speed. Let me hit cycle start. We shouldn't have no prerequisites here. Let's see if we got it. It's going through it. It's moving around. Zeroes everything out. Goes on over there. Gets ready. All right, we cycle start again. That's coming in. And that's at 12,000 RPM, I believe. Let me see. Okay, 11.9, 12, yeah. So spin was at 12,000 right here. Get an idea. It does a couple circular patterns, moves around. That's pretty much it. So I can reset out of that now and restart the program and take it all the way back to another position. Might be
that.
Yeah, let's just do it. Let's stop it right there and program reset, which we're all the way back to the beginning. And if we cycle start, it should all just go back, home itself all back up. Yep. We'll just leave it in a home position. And there's that. Spindle just oriented, and that's where it stops right there. Then we could restart it and loop the same program, but yeah, you kind of see how it all works.
Yeah, it's great.
It runs nice. Yeah.
Yep.
Runs really good.
Really good. Thank you very much.
Yes.